Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this simple curled look using this BeKind curler. So keep on watching. So to turn this BeKind wand on, you're going to want to go ahead and turn right to the temperature that you want to have it heat up to. So I'm going to go 390. So right now it's blinking like red. And usually that means it's not ready yet, it's heating up. So I'm gonna wait for, oh, it just turned green. So when it turns green, it's ready to use. It turns green really fast, and you're gonna hear it making a sound. Here, I'm gonna put it up to my mic. It's gonna have this like airflow sound, and that's how you know it's on. So it's really cool. It has this 360 like airflow, which means, let me go ahead and see what the pamphlet says. Yeah, so the holes is Airflex technology. It makes your hairstyling more manageable, faster, and safe. It allows hair to cool down quickly and thus cause significantly less damage than any other conventional straightener. So that's really cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair since it's already green and ready. Since it comes with a comb with this point on the end, I can actually easily part my hair. I can part my hair way easier with this comb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find a spot. And normally when I'm not obviously doing a tutorial on how to do this, it takes me like 10 minutes or I don't know, maybe less sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and do half of this side on the bottom and then work my way up to the top layer. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and continue on my right side of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this cool little safety glove that they gave me. I never really used a safety glove before, so I'm super excited to use this because, yeah, sometimes I get burnt easily on my hands. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Alrighty, so I'm just going to take a small part with my hair, move the rest back, comb through one time or two, just to make sure there's no knots or anything. And alright, so this should be already heated up, and I'm going to go ahead and make the first curl. So I like to go away from the face. I mean, like that was what, like 1 second? Not 1 second, but that was super quick. I mean, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did to this strand to the rest of the bottom layer. Again, I'm gonna take a comb, brush through it just to make sure there's no knots. Take the curler, go horizontal and flip. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the top layer of this side. So I know it looks kind of crazy right now, so I just leave that. Continue on. Okay, so now that I have the left side of my hair done, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the right side. So again, I'm going to take this comb, go ahead and part it. I'm going to go ahead and put the safety glove on. Again, I'm going to put it on my left hand. And do the same thing as I did on the left side to the right side. So I'm going to take the curler, go horizontal, and flip this way. And go down. And so for my shorter layers, same what I did on the left side, I go up and away. So once I'm done curling my hair, I go ahead and turn the BeKind curler off. And you'll hear the sound go off. So after this, I pretty much run my hands through my hair, and it'll break up the super tight curls, and it'll give it more of like a laid back summer look. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my hands through my hair. Just to kind of like loosen up the curls. Run my hands through my hair. And then I kind of just shape the way I want the curl to go. So. And that's it. That's how you achieve this curl look with this BeKind one. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and thanks for watching.